Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. For today's video, I will be cooking an American dish, and this is called oven pot roast. There are several ways of cooking this dish, and this is my version of it. I have here beef shoulder meat, and to season the meat I have onion powder, garlic powder, ground black pepper, salt, dried thyme, and dried rosemary. I am piercing the meat to get the muscles on the meat loose, and it makes tenderizing faster, and it also absorbs the flavor of the spices better. So let us season the beef, starting with the salt. And I am putting enough salt to season the vegetables that I will be adding later. Then I put the onion powder, garlic powder, ground black pepper, dried rosemary, and dried thyme. I then rub the meat to distribute the spices evenly. And then I wrap it with a heavy-duty aluminum foil. I put it in a Pyrex glass and put it in the oven on bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I let it bake for about 2 hours to tenderize it. So let us prepare the vegetables that I will be adding in, starting with potatoes. Then carrots, then onion, so I have here 1 beef cube, 1 bay leaf, onion, carrots, potatoes, and I'm also putting in a white wine, just a cup of white wine. So after 2 hours of baking the meat, I add in the vegetables, starting with the onion, then the carrots, then the potatoes. All of them are added at the same time. I also put a cup of white wine. One beef cube And I also added in the bay leaf. And I cover it again with the foil and I let it cook for 1 hour. So after an hour, the vegetables are cooked and the meat is tender. My friends, this is what it looks like when it is done. I hope you learned something from this video today. Please hit like and subscribe for more videos and feel free to comment down below. Thank you for watching.